Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Intellect Digest, and today we have with us the Moto E. This is the first impression video of the Moto E that we have here. This is a budget device from Motorola and comes with a 4.3-inch display. This is a QHD display which comes with a display resolution of 540 by 960 pixels, and it runs latest Android 4.4 or KitKat right out of the box. This is a pretty exciting device and has been priced very competitively, around $105 or around 7,000 rupees in India. India will be the first country which is going to get this device. There is no front facing camera here. There are no touch buttons on the bezel. There are software buttons. This is the standard speaker mesh, and this is an aesthetic element in chrome. Down here on right hand side you get a power or wake up key and a volume rocker finished in chrome. Again, looks very classy. Left hand side is totally clean, and on top you get a 3.5mm audio jack followed by secondary mic hole for noise cancellation. The primary mic hole is within this chrome shell which is provided on the bottom. The back is removable. It comes with dual SIM functionality. It accepts 2 micro SIM cards. The battery is not user removable. There are 2 micro SIM cards here, and there is also a micro SD card slot. It can support up to 32 GB of expandable memory. The battery is concealed and is not user removable. Let me quickly give you a camera demo as well. The camera is fairly fast and snappy and takes good pictures. It is a 5 megapixel autofocus camera which comes with a lot of camera features just like we saw on the Moto G. Looks very good and feels very nice. The phone is very nifty. The touch responsiveness is good. The colors come out to be really alive, and we find that the build quality is again something which is very stunning again from Motorola, just like we saw on Moto G. There is a slight dimple on the Motorola logo at the rear. We'll give you a detailed comprehensive review in our coming week after using this phone for a week. It comes in 9 different colors and has been priced very aggressively. A very big thumbs up from us on the Moto E. This is all we have on a quick hands-on review of the Moto E. You saw this first on Intellect Digest. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below. For more such videos, stay subscribed by pressing